Oof. Plant-based kimbap. She looks, interesting.
Before we jump into the video, I have an exciting announcement that I'm hosting another vegan trip in 2025, and this time we're going to Mexico City in May. Together, we'll explore the city's rich culture, beautiful artsy neighborhoods, and of course, the delicious food in one of the most vegan-friendly cities in the world. Some of the activities include a tacos and churros street food tour, Mexican cooking class, Xochimilco floating gardens, Frida Kahlo Museum, and of course, many more. If you're interested in this trip, make sure to book your spot now because we have an early bird discount of $100 off for the first 10 bookings. And if you haven't heard yet, I'm also hosting a vegan camping and hiking tour in the beautiful Canadian Rockies in August. There are only 5 spots left on that trip, so book yours today if you don't want to miss out. My trip to South Korea sold out really fast, so make sure you book your spot now if you're interested in my vegan trips. The links to the trip pages will be below, so hopefully I'll see you somewhere in the world. Now back to your video.
Hi guys, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. I am in Arizona at the moment, yes. We're staying in a hotel room for the next few days, so I bought some groceries from Sprouts and they had a lot of vegan stuff. I didn't want to go too crazy because I'm only here for the next 3 days, so I didn't want to go too crazy, but I bought a few things and I thought I would show you. And this is just me while I'm on the road, while I'm traveling. I do have a little kitchen here so I can cook. I didn't want to go too crazy though because when you're staying in a hotel, you don't really want to cook usually, but it's always good to take advantage if you do have amenities available. Anyways, let me show you what I got. Okay, first thing is a drink, La Croix. Okay, I got a sparkling water, grapefruit flavor. I do love me some sparkling water. It's a bit of an addiction, but I got it. I got some bananas. They do have breakfast here, but it's it's not that great, okay? There's not really much fruit. There's apples, but bananas will be quite helpful. I got some pineapple chunks. Let's try one, shall we? Pre-cut pineapple chunks. Pineapple's one of those fruits where you're probably too lazy to cut, or I am too lazy to cut, but it's obviously a lot more expensive when you buy pre-cut chunks, but when you're traveling, what are you gonna do? Here we go. Ooh. Please be good. It's not horrible. It's not that great. It'll do the trick. I got some, ooh, it's huge. Some green juice. I feel like I just need to eat some healthy food. Some health, I need some health. I got some cold pressed green juice. Just need, when you're on the road, when you're traveling, you just need more greens. Ooh, as we're speaking of healthy food, vegan chocolate chip cookies. Yes, vegan chocolate chip cookies. I saw this and I was like, ooh, I want to try it. Well, there's actually quite a few in here. Should we try one? I actually haven't had lunch yet, so kind of hungry. It's actually really soft. I love me a soft cookie. Oof. Here we go. That is very good. I love a soft cookie, okay? This is the perfect soft cookie. Some people might want a bit of a crunch, but I actually like it really soft. Really good. They had other flavors too. Next, I got some sourdough bread. It's kind of big. They do have a toaster, so I can make some sandwiches or something. Lovely. I got hummus spread on the toast. I got tofurkey slices, again, for a little sandwich. I got some organic cherry tomatoes. It's just a good snack, I also got a cucumber. It's kind of small. Okay, anyway, cucumber. I got some baby carrots. I can dip this into hummus. Good snack, healthy snack. And I don't know how these will be, but I got a couple of mangoes, okay? I live in Canada, so it's hard to find mangoes, especially right now in this time of year. So I'm like, mangoes are available. Let's try some. It was actually kind of cheap. It was $1.50 per mango, which in Canada, I feel like it'd be a lot more expensive. Next, I also got some snap peas, again, for a good little healthy snack. Dip it with some hummus. Then I got some fun stuff. Well, first, I wanted to make breakfast sandwiches, so the bread will be used for that. I got some Just Egg. Yes, it's expensive, but is it cheaper than buying breakfast? Yes. So Just Egg patties and this Jack and Annie's sausage patties. These are breakfast sausage patties. I've actually tried these. It's really good. So these two together with some bread in a sandwich. Nice breakfast sandwich idea, okay? Simple and easy. And again, it might be expensive, but it's cheaper than eating out, okay? And then I really wanted to try these, okay? Conscious Kimbap. Plant-based Kimbap. How does this even work? This has veggie protein blend, kale, carrots, cucumber, and pickled radish. And is this frozen? Yeah, it's frozen. And they had all these other products as well. They also had the California roll, and they had this like Korean chumokbap, which is like a rice ball, but it's like too expensive. So I'm like, you know what, I'll just try one of their products, because like, what if I don't like this? Okay, I'm quite excited to try this. I might want to try it with you guys. We'll see, okay? Because I got some other things too. So let me take a bite of cookie. All right, next thing I wanted to try, purple carrot plant-based meatball marinara. This one has 450 calories, 22 grams of protein, pretty good. So I guess it's this like, this type of pasta, which, what's the name? Orzo, I think. And then I got some plant-based meatballs, pre-made meals. I think this was maybe like $5. You know, expensive, but cheaper than eating out. And then I also got this Gardein Ultimate Plant-Based Bowls, plant-based sweet and sour chicken. Very excited to try this one. 15 grams of protein. We've got Gardein plant-based chicken. Looks pretty good. Again, microwave meal, but it's vegan. Quite exciting. That's all. And the good news is they actually had like a slight discount, 30% off if you spent over $80. So I think with delivery and everything, I think it was like 70 something dollars, which, you know, it is what it is. I don't know. Is that cheap? Is that expensive? I don't know. For Canadian dollars, it's quite a lot, because Canadian dollars is pretty bad right now. But anyway, why don't I try a couple of these goodies? Let's try. So I think I'm going to try this one, and I can't just eat this, okay? I'm also going to try this, because that, like, these two together, it would be like 700 calories, okay? Let's try. Well, I guess I'm eating this whole thing. Okay, how do I do this? How do I, well, first, this is frozen, so I don't know how to enjoy this. I mean, it looks pretty legit. I've never tried frozen kimbap. What it looks like frozen. Now let's microwave. It said microwave on high for 1 minute. Okay, I will. So I just throw this in the microwave for 3.5 to 4 minutes. I mean, it's quite tiny. First, let's try this green juice. It has cucumber, celery, grapefruit, chard, lettuce, and lemon. Pour myself a nice glass here. Tastes like green juice. It does taste quite healthy, not sweet at all. Not bad. Refreshing. Tastes healthy. Good. Now, for the star of the show, I got the sriracha, creamy sriracha. It just kind of like melts with your kind of fingers. So you just kind of like play around with it a little bit. So let's try it. All right. So it's slightly like cold still, but I feel like it's fine. Whatever. I'm going to dip it in the sriracha. Try it. It's not bad. It's not bad. I think the rice is more sweet than it should be. As a Korean, you know, I am a Korean snob sometimes. The rice does taste a little bit, it tastes more like sushi rice, whereas kimbap is Korean seaweed rolls. And normally kimbap has more of a savory taste. But this one has a more sweet taste, but it's actually pretty good given that it's like a frozen food. It's actually not bad. Okay. For what it is, it's pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. Yeah. Let's eat one without the sauce. Honestly, it is not bad. Whatever like veggie protein they have in there, it's quite flavorful. It almost tastes like a veggie tuna or something. It's really good. Like, I'm down. Okay. Didn't think I would like frozen kimbap, but here we are. Let's have a little snack break. I have the baby carrots and the hummus. And now let's try this Gardein Ultimate Plant-Based Bowls Plant-Based Sweet and Sour Chicken. Here it is. Ooh. Ooh, she's a little small. She looks, you know, interesting. Yeah, she's very small. But, okay, there's sauce kind of like in the bottom. I guess you need to kind of just mix it. Okay. Okay. All right, let's try. Piece of the Gardein plant-based chicken. I will say Gardein makes some really good plant-based meat products. It's not bad. The sauce tastes really good. It just kind of does taste like a frozen meal. But it's not bad. It's definitely not enough for a meal though. It's like very small. Not bad at all. Could just be a little bit bigger. I think that's my biggest complaint. It seems that there's 5 pieces of vegan chicken in here. And then a little bit of rice. Maybe I'm just a hungry person. I don't know. Look, the juice is settling. All right, you guys. Well, that is it for this random vegan grocery haul slash taste test from Sprouts in the United States of America. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this random video. Check out my other grocery hauls that are more like my lifestyle day-to-day grocery hauls. This was kind of more of like a novelty grocery haul. Leave me a little comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what else I should try from Sprouts. It seems that there's a lot of vegan stuff in Sprouts, so I'm definitely down to try more stuff. My American friends, let me know. Anyway, guys, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!